Gameplan HR makes it simple for employees to get started. Start by accessing your Gameplan HR invite email. This will have automatically been emailed to you as part of the Gameplan HR onboarding. To download the Gameplan HR app for either iOS or Android, click on the relevant App Store link for the device you'll be using. These will be at the bottom of the email. To activate your Gameplan HR account, tap Activate Account on the welcome screen. Enter your company email address. A two-factor authentication code will be sent to your inbox. Type this code into the app to verify your account. Next, enter your first name, last name, and national insurance number. If these details match your company records, you'll be prompted to create a secure password. Once your password is set, your account is activated and you can start using the app right away. Once you've activated your account, you'll land on the Gameplan HR dashboard. From here, you can clock in and track attendance, view payslips, access and upload your company documents, submit leave requests, and keep up to date with company announcements. It's your central hub for everything HR, right in your pocket. Simple tools to manage your workday anytime, anywhere. You're now set up and ready to go. Take a look around your dashboard and explore what the app can do. Our recommendation is to head to the profile section at the bottom right, upload a profile picture, and complete any missing personal information. From here, you can also check out your documents section, where you'll find personal and company documents uploaded to your account. Then go explore, review your timesheets, submit requests, and don't forget to visit our support center, available anytime you need help. When you're ready, check out our next videos for a deeper dive into each feature, like time and attendance, payslips, company updates, and managing leave and HR requests.